In this video, I will show you how to resize images on Adobe Express. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video, I will show you how you can resize your images on Adobe Express. So let's get started. Go ahead and click on the edit section on the Adobe Express website. Now click on resize image under it, and in here go ahead and click on that upload your photo button to upload your photo from your gallery. After uploading your photo, you'll get redirected into this section where you'll be able to find the tools that you can use to resize your image using Adobe Express. And here you can manually set the width and height of your image. You can zoom in and zoom out the image. You can also select the aspect ratio from this list if you're intending to post the image on a specific social media platform, and fix the position of your photo to fit the aspect ratio. So once you're done with this, you can simply download this photo to your device. So as you can see in here, these are the list of social media platform ratios available on Adobe Express. Now once you're done with your photo, you can simply download that into your device and open that on your device. And that is how you can simply resize images on Adobe Express. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.